In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms, compléments d'objet indirect, but more precisely, we will see leur. So let's see together what are les pronoms compléments d'objet indirect. And the first thing, they are used to replace nouns that refer to people or things that receive the action of the verb. This is really, really important. So let's agree on that. These nouns that they will replace will receive the action of the verb in the sentence. And the second thing that is extremely important, they are called indirect because they will replace nouns that are introduced by the preposition a. So these nouns that they will replace receive the action of the verb and are introduced by the preposition a. So this is what we call les pronoms compléments d'objet indirect. So this lesson is about leur. And the indirect object pronoun leur can be translated into various ways in English, such as to them, for them, or simply them. So we will see some examples with leur. Je leur donne des bonbons. Je leur donne des bonbons. Tu leur racontes une histoire drôle? Tu leur racontes une histoire drôle? La guide leur montre les monuments historiques. La guide leur montre les monuments historiques. Le professeur leur pose souvent des questions. Le professeur leur pose souvent des questions.